Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to search for some mushrooms. I've noticed that people have an interest in mushrooms, so I'm glad to show you today. Let's find us some mushrooms. Why am I interested in mushrooms? What's the benefit of it for me? Well, I've been curious about how they grow on a mycelium, and I have been searching for mushrooms for over 13 years now, and I thought it would be a great idea to talk about mushrooms and growing them. And in the future I'm going to make a mushroom farm on my homestead in France, where I'll be going. I have no idea. There are about 1.5 million types of mushrooms, so you have to be an expert, and I'm not an expert. Well, sort of, but not on a molecular level. Beautiful forest. Awesome. I think it's normally pretty wet, but it has been so dry this past year. Really, really dry. And that isn't good for the mushrooms either, so we'll see how this develops. This one flipped off. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. It's supposed to be on this one, I guess. So acorns are all the spiders. The turkey tail, and it's beautiful, beautiful brown, and you can tell that it's the turkey tail because there are no slides but pores, about 8 millimeter, no, like 8 pores per square millimeter. So and it's flat. It has the turkey tail kind of wiring, and that is for sure a turkey tail. When I'm going to live in France, I'm going to be starting a mushroom farm. For one, it has to do with food, so that will be cheaper for me to make my own food and also sell it to various restaurants or companies who want them, or just ordinary people. And I want to make sure that I have enough to sustain myself, together with my own company, Rolling Ball Sculptures, Robusque is it called, and I want to make a few different kinds, like shiitake mushroom. We all know of the Japanese shiitake mushroom. It has a very special process. And also want reishi and maybe even the turkey tail mushroom. Also different kinds of other mushrooms that will be produced by me, I hope. And I can use all the help I can get, because when I'm there I don't have a job. I have to make my own work, and this is one of the varieties that will ensure that I have an income. Well, do like this video and subscribe to the channel because it's important and I really want to entertain you. Nature and mushrooms are the topic of this channel. Also, my other playlist, it's about me moving to France. So I'm going on an adventure and I want to show you what a person alone is capable of. So please join me. What I'm also searching for is chicken of the woods. Do you know it? We call it a zwavelzwam. Very different sounding kind of name. Here we have one, a big red one. It's an old one, but chicken of the woods, it's a delicacy. And I hope to find me one of these days, and hope to prepare it like a small portion, because with all living things, if you do it too much, then it's toxic for you. Chicken in the woods, not though, but every other kind of mushroom. Don't eat them if you don't know what you're doing. That's my advice. Man, I really need a job. I've got one here. It's under a big tree, and it's still young. It's really young. So it has to grow to a mature, full adult. And it's going to be like this big. Well, I found one. It's on an oak tree, but I can't reach it from this side. I'll try to look for it on the other side. It's a big one. And there we go. It's a really big one. But I don't know if it's just a bundle or if it's actually something that I would really enjoy. Oh my God, look at this. Oh yeah. That is awesome. That is a big one. Look at that. I have to check for this one because I know the Dutch name, not the English one. But that's a pretty big one. These are young and fresh. It's been fun today. I saw a few, not so much, but who cares? You're out in nature, and that's the whole point. I hope you like this this episode. It's the first one of a series, and I want to be serious about it. So stay tuned for more exciting mushrooms.